Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I had a completely different video planned for today, but my Ipsy Glam bag came. So I'm gonna postpone the other video and do my unbagging of my Ipsy bag for you guys. So this is actually my second time trying to film this video today. I did have it, I was set up on the other side of this room and then the sun started coming in the window and I don't have curtains on that window, so I'm trying it again from a different angle, so I've sort of shifted to a different side of the room, so hopefully this is better. The light was sort of coming in and out. So I had not opened any of the stuff in this bag, but now I have, so I'm going to reopen it and we'll pretend like I haven't opened it and kind of start over. So I had signed up in December for the Ipsy Glam bag. So unfortunately my December bag didn't arrive until the week of Christmas, so I just didn't have time to do that video, and by the time I did have time, it was like the 1st of January, so it was a little late. Unfortunately, living in Atlantic Canada, it probably will always be later on in the month when I get my bag, but I still wanted to do this as sort of a series for you guys. I was really interested in the whole idea of like a beauty subscription. There's a few different ones out there, so I thought I would start with the Ipsy one. It is sort of the less expensive of the three that I'm interested in. The other one is BoxyCharm and the FabFitFun boxes. So I think I'll probably do this one for a year and then next year do a different one and then, you know, maybe do the other one the year after that. And just sort of see how it goes. But this was a good jumping off point. There's a few different people that I follow on social media that get them. So I wanted to give it a whirl. I love getting presents in the mail. I love when I get home from work and there's like a package for me. That is like just the best. It's like Christmas every day. So this is the bag. It's sort of a mesh, like athletic sort of look. It's really, really cute. I love getting like a new little bag because I break these. Like I'll throw a bunch of makeup in a little bag like this. I'll use it for a few months and then it's like I bust the zipper open or something like that. I obviously try to take too many things with me. So it's great to get a fresh little bag every month and they're all really cute. The one in December was sort of a silver bag with like an aqua stripe across the top. So anyways, let's dive into it. They always give you a little card. This one says, I will conquer and game face. And then it just sort of gives you like a little bit of a theme every month. So this one's all about like crushing your goals for 2018. So it always comes with a little card. Also came with a makeup brush. I love that they include makeup brushes. I have a ton of makeup brushes. This is my sort of, this is like my everyday sort of cup of brushes that I use all the time. And then I also have like a big MAC roll of like another 32 or something brushes. A few of them are in here, but like I've had some of these brushes for so long that some of them are starting to lose their hair. They're getting a little bit sort of dog-eared. I wash them a lot, so they do sort of start to lose the bristles and that. So it's really nice to get some new brushes. Last month in my Ipsy bag, I got, it was called the Luxie Beauty Precision Shader. Here it is. And it looks like this, and it was the 239 Precision Shader. So I really liked that. So I'm really excited to get another brush in here. Look how pretty. It's like glitter and there's bedazzles and it's got like the pink on the end. This is the brand SLMISSGLAM and this is number L36. So this is a highlight brush. You're going to use that for like the upper cheekbone highlight. I also sometimes like to use a big fluffy brush like this to blend out my crease. If I've gotten like a little too much in there, I'll sort of use it just to blend things out. So always really exciting to get a new brush. I'm going to put that right in my cup. My dog is stretching in the hallway. He's thinking maybe he'd like to join us. Hello. The other thing that they include... Hello. There's a dog. This is Charlie. What do you think, honey? What's mommy doing? He doesn't care. He just wants kisses. If you want to see more about Charlie, you can follow me on Snapchat. I'll link that in the description box. I always do, but I snap a lot about my dog, and I do post a lot of pictures of him on Instagram. So follow me on social media if you want to see more about Charlie the dog. So the other thing they included was this Cake by Cake Beauty Heavy Body Cream. So it says, cult classic body care, rich vanilla shea butter, deeply nourishing, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. So it's shea butter, aloe vera, camellia leaf extract. It literally smells like cake. It smells so good. When I filmed this video the first time, I put it all over my hands. They still smell so nice, and it's a really nice thick cream, so I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that. My hands get so dry this time of year. Working in the aesthetic studio, obviously I wash my hands a lot. I've got a lot of nail dust on my hands all the time. I'm into like the polish removers and, you know, acetone, alcohol, stuff like that. So it really dries out your hands. Plus I live in Atlantic, Canada. It's like -17 today without the wind chill. So it's really cold, so can't have too much hand cream. So I'm really excited about that. The other thing they included was an eye cream, and I'm not going to try to say the name of this company because I know I'll butcher it, but it's this Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it's a brightening eye cream, and it has vitamin C and collagen, and it's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and be age defying. So I'm really excited to try this. I don't branch out a lot as far as trying new cleansers, moisturizers, things like that. With the acne, I'm very cautious about what I use on my skin. However, I can always try new eye creams. That was just like the little seal thing. I can always try new eye cream, so I'm really excited to try that. I'll put that on tonight when I take my eye makeup off and give it a whirl, and I will link everything. I'll put in the description box all the individual items that they've included. I'd love to see in the comment section below, do you guys subscribe to Ipsy or a different beauty subscription? I'd love to know. If you do subscribe to Ipsy, what did you get in your bag? Because everybody gets different stuff. They ask you a ton of questions when you sign up. What's your skin type? What's your skin tone? What kind of colors of eyeshadows do you like? All kinds of questions. So I really feel like they do personalize each bag to the individual. Last month in the December bag, I got some really nice charcoal sheet masks. I was really excited about that, and it really felt appropriate for my skin based on the questions that they asked. So I was really excited about that. Don't mind my hair today, guys. I have a hair appointment this afternoon, so I didn't do anything with my hair. I just combed it when I got up, so don't mind the weirdness that is my hair. Also in here, we got the Mary Lou Manizer. Look how cute. How cute is that? So it's a highlight, obviously. It's by TheBalm Cosmetics, and it's just the sample size, which to me is great. Like, that's perfect if you're traveling. Just take one highlight. You could use it underneath the brow bone. You could use it on the cheek. Let's give it a whirl with the brush. I already have highlight on, but you can't have too much highlight. We'll use this new brush. Oh, yes. That's nice. It's not too much, I don't think, even though I already have highlight on. It's really pretty. So I'll definitely be using that. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand just so you guys can see how pigmented. So that's a really nice, it's just a soft sort of champagne color, so I'm definitely excited to give that a little more love. And then the last thing is by Absolute New York, the Eye Artiste eyeshadow in the color Posse. So it's sort of a metallic, pinky, bronzy, rosy, goldy. It's a really cool sort of metallic color. Why do they include these? Who uses these? Garbage. So that's the color there. It looks really beautiful. I'll swatch it for you guys with a different finger. Ooh. So lots of pigment, really, really nice and reflective. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. I'm excited to try that. So let me know in the comments. I'd love to know, what did you get in your bag? Are you interested in these bags? Are you doing a different type of beauty subscription? I'd love to know. Let's start a little conversation down there. I read all the comments. I reply to all the comments. And hit the subscribe button, please. I would love that. And the like button, of course. And stay tuned for more videos. I had planned on doing my Naked Ultimate Basics review and swatching video for today, so stay tuned for that. I will do that over the next few days, and I have some essential oil videos planned coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye!